morning. Hope you guys are having a good day. I've been up since about 8, but I didn't start working on this until like 8:39. I'm almost to have the complete back panel. I'm about to have the back panel complete. And then I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. In the shower and go to the gym. Okay. But yeah, everything is going really well. I'm also going to reach out to this person and let him know that like his order has started and I'm on track for meeting the deadline of Tuesday to have the order out by Tuesday. So that's good. My next big order is not due until next Friday. So next week, we're going to try to get some of the hat bundle done. And we're going to try to get we're going to get a few of the website orders done. But yeah, we're making really good progress. We're making very, very good progress, which I'm very happy about. But yes, I love this whole like checkered idea. I haven't seen this before in like a cardigan, but I think it looks great. And the lines are very, very like, the lines are very, very well put together. So this will be featured in my once the January launch comes, is like this option will be available for people. And then I'm doing a I'm doing a, what is that called? Sorry, give me a second to think about what I'm trying to say. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry. My January drop is going to be really cool. I'm doing a few designs. So I'm doing like a full color. You can see like what a multicolor full color looks like. You can see what this checkered option looks like. And then the one girl, she wants me to do horizontal lines. So she wants it to be gray, yellow, or gray, white, and yellow. And it just goes straight down. And so there will be strips of white in the center with yellow and gray on each side. And then I'll ask her if she wants me to do the opposite on the shoulder. So I'm really excited about these. Like I know that people who do these, they just do it all one color. But like I've figured out how to make designs with it, which is like, you know, I love being able to see crocheters do their own thing and like follow certain trends. And I'm always going to figure out how to add my knowledge or my understanding of crochet or yarn work and like elevate it or make it different or make it mine. Perfect. So a great day. Orders have been delivered from Monday. I just got a text that I got my order. I love it. So that's great. And yeah, we doing things. We doing things. We making money. People are seeing our vlog. We got, I think 7 from day 1, 3 from day 2, 5 from day 3, and now we're on day 4 was just posted this morning. So we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. We're already almost at, I think 807 subscribers. So if you're watching this for the first time, we're on the road to 1,000. And I really hope that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching. And yeah, just send some love my way so that I can begin to monetize on YouTube. I have a lot of ideas and things that I've been holding off with sharing because I want to be able to monetize from my work. So yeah, that's it. I'm about to stop soon and get ready to shower and go to the gym. Okay, today we're walking. We currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 rows. Let's see how many we get in 20 minutes. All right, we're 25 minutes in and I'm about to stop. But let's see how far we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is where I was. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're almost halfway there. All right, I'm gonna work out and I'm going back home. See y'all later. Hi. Ooh, sorry, y'all moving. Okay, there we go. Hi, everyone. I finally did the final row of the hat. I didn't give you guys even an update on the rest of the stuff. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Because I showed you the squares in the beginning. Those square, the checkered heavy hitter. The checkered heavy hitter. This is super stinking cute. And it's like perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It looks so good. And you just play with the ruffles. Make sure the ruffles look how they supposed to. I like ending it. I like it ending in the gray over ending in the black. I feel like the black is such like a powerful color that I think ending it with the gray makes it really pretty. Sewing in these ends is going to be a B word. Like a whole B word. I really like this hat. I don't know why I don't make myself hats like this. I need like a whole collection of hats. Which sounds insane because, girl, you sell this stuff. Like, yeah, of course you should have stuff, but every time I make these, I love them. I love them every time I make them. And I have not one pair. Like, not one hat for myself. I'm so excited to make myself an Ariel's crown because I'm going to the Eagles game. I'm just rambling. I'm sorry. Okay, let me fix this. Hi, everyone. We're going to keep everything together. We're not cutting any of this out. But that's okay. Hat is done and ready to be sewn in. Now, back to these pants. I think we came up with 4 rows. Look at just how they increase. Look at just how they increase. Big stepper. Big stepper. Big stepper. This increase is beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am going to, I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got 4 more color changes. So I'm gonna do one leg and I'm gonna switch and do the other leg. And then it's gonna be done. And it's 3:30 now. I teach until 8:30 tonight. From 6 to 8:30. I will likely, I gotta at least grade 2 assignments before class starts. So yeah, I'm about to prep class. I'm then grade until class starts. I might take a break and lay in my hammock. But I'll be ready for class at 6 o'clock. And then from 6 to 8:30, I'll jazz it with my seniors, because this is their last fall semester. Very excited for my teachers. They're about to graduate with a master's degree. That's so amazing. They're joining the club. I am joining my sleep. I'm very tired. All right, everyone. You all continue to have a great day. Would you guys like to see more videos of me like crocheting? Like not necessarily talking, but just like crocheting video? Because the last video was like 9 minutes long. Short, sweet, to the point. Y'all see all the stuff and then we keep it pushing. That's what I feel like y'all want. If y'all want more video of me like crocheting, comment below so I know. I also would like to give y'all some like audio, like some music. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm happy that you're here and that you're watching. Keep wishing me luck. I'll figure it out. I always do. Bye. Hi. So after I teach, I'm usually super exhausted because the mental capacity is drained down to nothing. But I will say I made very great progress during class. The hat is done. The pants probably only need like 2 more inches. And I need to do the top ribbing. This might take a while. I have to do the top ribbing, and then I have to do the bottom. I want to do a black half double crochet all the way around both legs. But I have to make sure that it's long enough. I am also going, oh man, sorry. I'm also going to work on the cardigan if I have more time. But honestly, cleaning up the ends on these three. Oh, I don't think I ever showed this to you guys. This is the other part of the order. This is my Diva cardigan. It's a Diva cardigan because it has wide sleeves, and then it has this like cinching cuff. It's longer, but yeah, this is the whole three-piece set. So we have the cardigan, the hat, and the pants. Three-piece set. And she already paid her balance. So this is going out tomorrow. And then tomorrow morning, no, I probably will be able to do it. Tomorrow I'm going to work on the rest of the cardigan. I'm going to try to have the front panel done. And I'm going to work on the mocha hat and the unicorn hat, the one that I've been working on at the gym. Finishing those two so that they'll be ready to ship out on Monday. So this is order number 5. This is order number 5, and we're going to have a good night. I'm about to watch The Floor and Power and eat some Red Lobster and hopefully not do anything that is heavy mental lifting because I am tired. But it's another great day. I will probably sleep in a little bit tomorrow because I've been staying up till 4 a.m. 4 a.m. every day, which is insane. So it's time to take it down. But you guys have a good night. I will see you tomorrow where we're packing more orders. Yay! Okay, bye.